Yeah, it was a difficult game in the start. Belgium has a good team and they have been improving in the last couple of years. You can see that on the results from last year and also in the qualification games. But we made a little bit changes in the defense and Duvnjak came in and we started to get grip of the game. So in the halftime we had, I think, 4 goals. After that we had the game controlled. Second half, yes, of course we could have won maybe with a couple of more goals, but it was also important to get other players on the field, and it took also a little bit time for them to adjust. Yeah, we will have to see if they can travel with us. We travel immediately now in the night, so we have to check if that's possible. I don't have high hopes. Yeah, overall I'm happy with the game. We had a difficult week. We missed David Mandic after training in the morning. He was not feeling good, so it was a change of the game plan shortly before the game. So I'm happy after we took the control of the game.